quite excited about sharing this one. This is a competition, and I'm trying as hard as I can to try and formulate something like this myself for you guys that follow along in the groups, in the members group, in the free group, because I think it'd be a really, really cool thing to do. And hopefully, PineX Capital can help me set this up for you guys because I don't really know how, in all honesty. It's not something I'm too tech savvy with. Anyway, I think this would be really, really cool for us to focus on. Whilst we obviously provide our market commentary, you guys are going to still inevitably going to be, have to explore other options or have some sort of dynamic risk with, the trades that you do follow with us. But this is a really, really cool concept. And I think it's really, really valuable for a number of reasons. One, because you can see how you're performing against other people, in the live competition. This competition actively in front of us is running from the start of July to the end of July. And these are the top three, and these are the top 10. And there's a lot more people, and it's free, and there's 240 people in it, and there's prizes to be won. And there is going to be another one soon. Anyway, it's good because you can see how and who you're competing against and their performance. You can also see, the realistic gain that you need to make to try and creep up the ladder if you're on the top page or if you're on the second, third page. I'm jumping around, but whilst we're on that, here, for example, these people on the, top 20, top 30, top 40, top 36, that's who's profitable. Everyone else, out of 240, there's only 36 that are profitable. So I think maybe only the top 50 are published. But it just goes to show you, it's hard. And by having this leaderboard in place, I think it will help keep people a bit more accountable and a bit more risk averse, right? They won't do these kamikaze trades. I mean, Lee at the moment is obviously killing the game. 36 trades, which is also pretty impressive because, I mean, in the scheme of things, it's maybe roughly 1.5, 2 trades a day. 2 trades a day, I would say. Obviously, roughly 20 trading days. There's a couple more days left. I'd probably say 2 trades a day, maybe 3 trades or so, 3 or 4 trades. There's a lot of trades here. However, it just goes to that's pretty cool as well. Simon G from there's 3 from the same Germany. I mean, generally speaking, it's quite interesting to see your stats compared to other people's stats. And you don't go into too much detail, but like I say, there are prizes to be won. 25k, 50, 100 instant funding. So this is where the big money is. So first, second, and third, you can really set yourself up for some decent return. You get $100 cash, I suppose, for your time, but you get a 2-step challenge, and if you pass that, you can make some good money. Second place, you get an instant funded account, and first place, you get a 300k instant funded account. So it's serious, and it can really catapult you into some decent success. But again, it's going to take the right trader. Unfortunately, I can't enter this because I'm looking to obviously run it myself or get someone to help run it or whatever it may be. I don't know how that looks yet, but PineX is the organizer of this one, and I'm hoping they can sort us out. Regardless, you guys might be able to get involved with this one from August if we don't have anything in place. But like I said, I think it's a really cool way to, one, compete against your peers. You can refer your friends and stuff and see if they want to get involved. But 2, be disciplined with your trading. And 3, there's some serious stuff that can be won, which could be career changing effectively. If you win that 300k instant funded, that could make you thousands and thousands and thousands per month off very little. And that's, I mean, we'll find it now, but here it is. So instant funded is currently 45 to 50% off, depending on, if you use their code as standard. Their summer code is 45, but you can get some additional coupons as well, which we can provide using code Idris, and that'll get you another 3 or 5%. So yeah, that's huge. I mean, that's 2,000 euros at full price, which is around maybe $2,600. Absolutely miles off. You can tell I don't trade the Euro USD. I thought it was hard now because we're about 133, but yeah, Euro's obviously Euro USD exchange. Should just look on TradingView, really, shouldn't I? 1.14. Wow, I thought 1.14. I thought GBP USD was about 0.9. And I tried to prorate it off that, which obviously didn't work. GBP USD. No. What should I do? GBP USD. What do I do? Fuck knows. Anyway, going back, obviously the tournament's a big thing. Summer sales at the top. We already have a PineX user account. We're trading on ours, but yeah, this is really, really cool. This is really, really cool. And you can obviously find more information on this website. So I'm just going to go back and see if there's any more information. But this one ends in 4 days, and I hope that we can get something else sorted. I'll keep you guys in the loop. There's a summer 45 code anyway, and make the most out of these discounts because it's not going to last very, very long. In fact, it ends in 4 days, which is bloody quick. So yeah, 45% summer discount and a free pay later challenge. So you don't pay for the next one, you only pay if you pass. So it's massive. Check it out. Let us know what you think, and we'll feedback in due course.